Alright guys, welcome back to Unrivaled Diesel, and we are working on the black truck today, and I am very excited. We're going to be putting a new grille on it as well as some new fog lights. So replacing those with some nice LEDs and just trying to give the truck a little bit of a facelift. So to take off this grille, there's a bunch of little bolts underneath here, and they're all 8mm. So with your fancy snap-on ratchet, you can just start taking some of these off.
Okay.
Are you recording now?
I'm recording now.
He missed the punch. You see there's a bigger hole here now. Here we go. So this is a new hood latch. The other one is working, but it's rattling a lot. So I ordered another one just to try to tighten it up and make it look nicer. But looks like this little piece pops out. Yeah, so that little piece pops out, kind of locks it in, and then this will come out. This is actually insanely easy. This is clearly worn out and broken. And then we'll grab our new one here, which looks to be correct, and we will slide this little grommet in here. Should lock it in nice and good and tight. Hopefully. It appears to be good and tight. Good and tight. And then that'll go through there. Kind of fish it in. Hear gunshots in the background because we live in the country. Then that will go in there. And then this will slide in here and then lock in like that. So now, this doesn't make a bunch of noise anymore. Okay. There, so that's fixed. Now, we have our new EAG grill for this thing, which if you look, is definitely an improvement over that junk. So, let's go ahead and get it installed. Look at Daniel over here screwing in the bottom of the bumper. So it's just a bunch of 10mm bolts up top and then just some Phillips head screws on the bottom.
Yeah.
He's using that nice Fuel Milwaukee, the ones I can't afford.
Because you got so many DeWalt batteries.
Yeah, it's because I only have DeWalt. Alright, so we got the grill installed, and dude, this thing kind of looks like Whistling Diesel's Monster Max tow rig. Y'all remember that thing? It was lifted a little bit more, but man, it's kind of got the same look going for it. So I'm really liking how this grill looks. Super easy to install. Everything's good. Next, we're going to do these fog lights here. Alright, so these are the new LED lights that we got going in. And basically, these suckers should just sit in basically like that. And there's 3 10mm bolts, one here, here, and here, that I'll have to pull out to stick these in. So I'm gonna go ahead and rip those lights out, stick these in. Just like that, so. It's the best. Okay, so. This should just slide in here pretty easy. Not bad. Yeah. We got the grill installed, as you know, but now we have the fog lights installed. I'm gonna go turn them on and I hope they work. Did they turn on? Woo! That one didn't. There we go. They were on. They were just on upside down. Nice. So we got the fog lights installed. It's got LEDs in it already, which is sick. It's already got the LEDs in the headlights. Now we got LED fog lights, so this thing should be pretty good. Daniel, what do you think of the blue interior lighting?
That's the most beautiful redneck thing I've ever seen. Like
the beautiful destroyed pedals. Also,
yeah,
look at this. It's got adjustable pedals. Isn't that great?
Yeah, man.
This is like such a weird find.
Well, if your wife ever drives it, now you can just, you know, put it up to her feet.
Like, babe, stop messing with my pedals. It's so funny.
Gosh, rednecks, I love them.
Oh, yeah.
Where's the old truck at?
It looks pretty good, don't it?
Nah, that ain't the same truck. Look at that thing.
It looks pretty different. All right, here, stand there and let me go turn on the lights.
Oh, man. This thing's just blind to me and it's not even dark out.
You like it?
Does that have those under the wheel lights too?
It does. I didn't put those in. He actually had those.
Wow, check that out.
Yeah, it's got the under the wheel. You can change the colors too.
Oh man, I'll be the coolest old man riding around on the strip with those.
The grill makes a, you see what I was saying with that grill? It makes a difference, doesn't it? And it's got that new latch in there so it doesn't shake anymore.
Oh, and all that chrome is gone now.
Yeah.
Kind of changes that look. Yeah, that stuff you used to shine that up really put a slick on that dude, didn't it?
Yeah, it makes a difference. That's shine armor.
Some wheels are looking good, buddy boy.
You like how it looks?
I like how it looks.
The truck is looking pretty good now. Comment below if what else you think we should do to the thing cosmetically. But for now, this is the first episode of the dually build. There's gonna be a lot more coming, so make sure you stay tuned. But for now, it's got a new grill and new fog lights. So we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.